Ladies and gentlemen, the one that interests me the most is the issue of what happens for states who have not been able to, come on board. Like it has been said, law abhors vacuum, so the federal presence will continue to dominate in that area. And on the issue of minimum standard, you just have to have this to ensure that citizens adequately protected. Don't forget that the main thrust of this bill is to ensure security of lives and property, and it is also important that we do not make the state police or state policing a weapon of political persecution or oppression. There must be standard, there must be the minimum threshold to guarantee the continued existence and operation of the society. So the standard is prescribed to ensure that it accords with what obtains offshore, that is globally recognized standard. If you are onboarding from the federal to the state police, it is important that the same benefit, the same yes, the benefit that you will derive must not be any less. The only difference will now be, okay, one is by the federal, the other one is by the state. If you leave the door open, then it means all sorts of situations will come in, and this will not be good enough for the society. Thank you very much, sir.
I think with that we are clear on most of the issues.
I think Governor Abiodun, we wanted to add something.
Okay. All right. The Governor of Ogun State. Thank you.